This learning target, it says I can find the first term of a geometric sequence. We're going to start by being given a random term. This time we have a sub 3, which is the third term, equals 8, and the common ratio, which is r equals -2. This is very similar to finding the first term of an arithmetic sequence. We are going to use the formula for geometric sequences, which is a sub n is equal to a sub 1 times r raised to the n minus 1. And for this first example, we're actually given an a sub n and we're given an r. So we're going to substitute our a sub 3 and our r into the formula. So 8 equals a sub 1 times -2 raised to the 3 minus 1 power, because this is the third term and is 3. So simplifying this order of operations, 8 equals a sub 1 times -2 to the second. 8 equals a sub 1 times 4. Getting a sub 1 by itself using division, 2 is equal to a sub 1. So that's our first example. Our next example is, what if we're given two random terms and not given r? So for this example, we're given a sub 2, which is equal to 12. So we're given the second term, and a sub 5, which is equal to 324. So we're given the fifth term. Now, finding the common ratio is a little different than finding the common difference. First of all, it's a ratio, so we were multiplying, so we're going to have to do some division. We start by dividing the term values. So I'm going to start by using 324 divided by 12. And when I put that in my calculator, I see that I have 27. However, 27 is the common ratio between the second term and the fifth term. There are 3 terms between a sub 2 and a sub 5. So my next step is to take the cubed root, and I use the cubed root because 5 minus 2 is 3. So I take the cubed root of 27. Using my calculator, that gives me 3. So my r is equal to 3. And remember, this 3 right here came from 5 minus 2. So now I can use either the second term or the fifth term and the original formula to find the first term. I'm going to choose the second term simply because it's less work. So 12 is equal to a sub 1 times 3 raised to the 2 minus 1 power. Using order of operations in algebra, 12 is equal to a sub 1 times 3 to the first. 2 minus 1 is 1. 3 to the first is 3. So I have 12 is equal to a sub 1 times 3. Divide both sides to get a sub 1 by itself, and I have a sub 1 equals 4.